In a sunny jungle, a bright green parrot named Pico had one true love, his juicy red pomegranate tree. Every morning he flew straight to its branches, singing cheerful songs as he picked the ripest fruit. He never shared, until one day a hungry squirrel named Simi asked for just one bite. Pico hesitated but then saw her tired eyes. He offered her a whole fruit. Simi smiled gratefully and promised to plant more pomegranate seeds. Weeks later, tiny trees began to grow. Pico chirped with joy, realizing sharing didn't take away happiness. It multiplied it. From then on, he always shared,